Good evening, dear esteemed members of the press. We are here to talk about our flagship event, Asturi 2026. It is happening on the 3rd and 4th of January at Azad Maidan. This is our flagship program and we look forward to a lot of entrepreneurs coming and participating in it. It's a prominent platform for entrepreneurs to make a mark in their business, and we always promote a lot of women entrepreneurs to take part in this event. It's going to be a 2-day fun extravaganza. There are ladies and a lot of entrepreneurs who are coming from across India, not only Goa. So we have people from Karnataka, Kolkata, up north, a lot of something which is really going to be very, very exciting. Apart from that, we are also having some very good competitions. We are having a healthy dessert making competition for ladies. Then there's a drawing competition for children, a fancy dress competition for children. We're having a comedy show. That's a surprise. It's going to be, when you come there, you're going to see it. So that's something really nice which is going to be happening. And also a reel making competition for all the participants of the stalls. So this is something new which we are doing this year. And it will end with the Asturi Queen, crowning of the Asturi Queen. So this is our agenda for the 2 days of Asturi. And hoping that everyone spreads the word and more entrepreneurs take part in this. Our event chair is Gauri Joshi, and I'm Sandra Fernandez, the chairperson of the Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry Women's Wing. To my right is our creative head, again a member of GCCI committee, Claire D'Souza. So over to Gauri.